This is Richard Shugart presenting SMB Digest Daily, your online audio and visual first communication highlighting items of interest to the math biology community for the Society for Mathematical Biology. Welcome to the SMB Digest podcast. The SMB Digest podcast provides an audio and visual review of the week for SMB Digest by combining the week's SMB Digest dailies into a single broadcast. At this time, we are using the same intro and outro as SMB Digest. Welcome to SMB Digest What's New in the Queue for August 3rd, where we display the newest advertisements to appear in the next SMB Digest. Please note that the intro and outro will soon be changed from the old SMB Digest Daily intro and outro. Today we have 4 advertisements. There are 2 postdoctoral positions at Michigan State University's Kellogg Biological Station. The first is on evolution of microbial metabolic networks. The postdoc will participate in a NASA exobiology-funded project in collaboration with researchers from France and Germany on modeling the evolutionary emergence of diverse microbial metabolisms. The second is on eco-evolutionary theory. The postdoc will participate in a collaborative NSF-funded project on the origin and maintenance of interspecific trait diversity in phytoplankton. Interested applicants should apply through careers.msu.edu. For the first position, use job posting number 499652. For the second position, use job posting number 520388. For both positions, include a cover letter describing motivation, research interest, and relevant experience, CV, and the names and contact information of 3 references. Review of applications will begin August 20th and continue until the positions are filled. The International Conference for Technology and Analysis of Seizures will take place at the University of Exeter September 2nd through the 5th, 2019. The goal of this conference is to bring together neurologists, neuroscientists, researchers from quantitative disciplines, and people who lived experience of epilepsy in order to work as a community to advance our understanding of epilepsy and develop practical ways to improve diagnosis and treatment. For more information, go to exeter.ac.uk/ICTALS2019. There's a postdoctoral investigator position modeling hydrothermal vent meta-community dynamics at the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution. The postdoctoral investigator will develop and analyze mathematical models describing the processes that generate patterns of species diversity observed at deep sea hydrothermal vents. Applications received by September 1 will be given high priority. To apply, please submit as a single PDF file an application, including a short cover letter, a CV, a statement of past research experience, and future interest, and contact information for 3 references to Michael Neubert at mneubert@whioi.edu and online at whioi.edu/HR, and search for position ID number 21135. There are 2 NIH positions. The first is a staff scientist position in the Social Epidemiology Research Unit of the National Human Genome Research Institute. The individual will be engaged in social epidemiology research assessing the relationship of social factors on cardiovascular phenotypes and related mechanisms. The individual will also be engaged in human social genomics and social epigenetics based on RNA, transcriptomic, methylation, and mechanisms related to social exposure. To apply, interested applicants should submit their cover letter, CV, and contact information for 3 references to sharon.davis@nih.gov. Please indicate applicant for staff scientist in the email subject heading. The second position is for a tenure-track position for Earl Stedman investigators. These are tenure-track positions, assistant professor equivalent, within the NIH Intramural Research Program. You join a team whose hallmarks are stable funding, intellectual freedom, shared resources, and access to a wide range of scientific expertise. Applicants must submit a CV, a 3-page proposal titled Research Goals, a 1-page statement titled Long-Term Research Vision and Impact, and contact information for 3 professional references. Submit these through the online application system at tenuretrack.nih.gov/apply between August 1 and September 30th. Lastly, the SMB Digest What's New in the Queue is updated preferably once per day at smb.org/queue. There are 3 items that do not appear in the audio and visual version of SMB Digest What's New in the Queue. There's a postdoc position, or a position for engineers in data integration, simulation, and visualization for whole cell modeling in New York City. To better understand how genotype and the environment determine phenotype, they are developing comprehensive whole cell computational models which aim to represent all the biochemical activity inside cells. To apply, please send a cover letter describing your scientific engineering interests and your CV to Jonathan Carr at karr@mssm.edu. Please visit thecarlab.org for more information. The biography of mathematical biologist James Murray, titled My Gift of Polio, An Unexpected Life from Scotland's Rustic Hills to Oxford's Hallowed Halls and Beyond, paperback, is available at Amazon.com. Search for either the title or ID number 1980559791. The Joint European Thermodynamics Conference will be held in Barcelona from May 20th through the 24th. The deadline for abstract submission is December 21st. You can access all the information at the webpage of the conference at jetc2019.uab.cat. Welcome to SMB Digest deadlines for the week of August 6th. This is the list of deadlines for the week that have appeared in or are associated with an SMB Digest advertisement. Please note that the intro and outro will soon be changed from the old SMB Digest daily intro and outro. This week we have only one deadline. There's a Keystone Symposia webcast on August 7th from 2:30 to 4 p.m. American Eastern Daylight Time with live Q&A on health disparities, type 2 diabetes, research, and policy. To register for the event, go to virtual.keystonesymposia.org. Lastly, keep up with all the SMB Digest deadlines at smb.org/deadlines. This has been Richard Shugart presenting SMB Digest Daily for the Society for Mathematical Biology and SMB Digest.